To fix the weird colors that you have on your Motorola Moto G15, first we can open our settings and move to the display. And then the first fix is to enter the colors, and right here you would need to make sure that your colors are saturated, which gives you more natural colors on your device. Also, the color wheel below should be set to default. Then we can move to the actual color contrast, and here I strongly recommend to go for a default, as when you pick the high option it will make your phone higher in high, it will give it a higher contrast, which doesn't look good, and the default option should fix that. There is also the night light, and when it's active your phone will turn a bit orange, so I recommend to also turn it off unless there's night. And that is basically everything.